Stay caffeinated, my friends. What's going on, everybody? Just doing a few things around the yard here today and getting stuff ready to go. I've got a pipe that burst because somebody didn't winterize the pump house good enough last year. So I get to deal with that. So let's fix that. There's the issue right there. So I've got this pipe repair kit. It looks like the issue. We'll see if we can get it fixed. All right, we've let that dry. Now let's see if it holds. So today we're out here looking at a tile line that's plugged up. The water's coming on top of the ground over here and we want it to go through and keep moving. So we got to find the tile line, dig it up, and see what the issue is. What we're doing here is we're just trying to find the tile line. It went under the road here somewhere, but we don't have a record of exactly where it is. It was put in before we owned this ground, so we're just trying to find it. It should be on either side of this culvert. Here we're looking for any change in the soil. You could see where a tile plow went through or where something's been dug up. So that's what we're looking for here. You can see some water bubbling up in the hole, or we can there, and that's what I'm pointing at. my dad will get down in here and use that probe he's got in his hand to try and find the tile. We don't see it, so he's shoving that into the ground to try and hit something hard. And here I'm just clearing out in front of the culverts a little bit. Some of this dirt has washed down the draw and it gets piled up here and plugs up this culvert. So after about an hour and a half of digging, we did not find the actual tile, so we will have to come back and check on this later. Alright guys, we're ready to take the tractor in and get new wheels on it, so let's go. When we're driving tractors down the road, it's annoying for you guys in your cars. It's also very nerve-wracking for us because we're in a big piece of machinery that's very heavy, very expensive, and can cause a lot of damage very quickly. We can only go 25 miles an hour at the fastest, and if we're pulling something behind, we might be going slower than that. So if you get stuck behind a tractor, just realize that we don't want to be on the roads. We want to be out in the field, but we have to drive on the roads to get there. So please be patient with anybody that you get stuck behind in a tractor. We don't want to be on the roads any more than you want us on the roads. So be patient and work with us and we'll get through it together. All right, here we are. These are the old ones. These are the new ones. Those are a little bigger. Look at the big ones. Not too bad, huh? All four of those go on that. Let's get it done.